What up, YouTube? G4 Leader here once again, back with another video for you guys, and today's video will be about Hulk Hogan wanting Chris Hemsworth to play him in his biopic movie. If you don't know who Chris Hemsworth is by now, he's the guy who played Thor, and I don't think Chris Hemsworth has responded to this shit yet, but Hulk Hogan said he really wants Chris Hemsworth to play him in his movie about his own life. He said he needs a serious actor and shit like that. And personally, I feel like that would be career suicide for Chris Hemsworth. You know, because Hulk Hogan is a hard dude to play. He'll be a hard guy to play because his voice is so weird. It's almost cartoony-like, and then the bald head, and it's like, what you gonna do, brother, when Hulk Hogan runs wild on you? And, you know, him just faking and forcing that voice through the whole movie. Like, who would be able to take Chris Hemsworth seriously doing that shit? I think that movie will be depicted as a comedy, no matter how serious they try to make it in terms of tone. I think Chris Hemsworth should just stay away from that shit. Stay away from that shit. Casting somebody to play Hulk Hogan, you really need, I don't know who you could get to play that dude. That is a unique person to play, that voice, look, and all of that. And I feel like Chris Hemsworth would be a terrible idea, especially with his build. He's really slender compared to Hulk Hogan. Hulk Hogan is true, you know, buff, like, and Chris Hemsworth is buff too, but he's more on the slender side of it, so they don't even match up body type wise or look wise. You know, I don't even know why he would want Chris Hemsworth to play him. The only thing them two have in common is height. Other than that, I don't see no similarities or anything. That shit would just be kind of embarrassing. I would laugh. I'm sorry, I would laugh my ass off at that shit. But like I said, Chris Hemsworth, stay away from that shit. That shit would be career fucking suicide. They would, they would clown you for the rest of your acting career. So I hope you don't do this shit. I hope they find somebody else to pull off Hulk Hogan if they do decide to do a biopic movie, which I don't think they should. You know, Jobs just came out. That shit didn't even do too well. And that's about Steve fucking Jobs. You know, so I don't even think they should be doing that shit to begin with. But anyways, that's just my thoughts. You can hit me down in the comments down below. Tell me how you feel about the topic. Subscribe to my channel for more discussions like this one. G4 Leader here signing off, and thank you guys for watching.